Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how to use UX Tunnel VPN, a fast and secure VPN for private browsing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Step 1. Open the Play Store. Search for UX Tunnel VPN. Find the official app and tap Install. Wait for it to finish. Then tap Open. Step 2. When the app opens, it may ask for notification permission. Allow or deny as you prefer. Make sure your internet is on so the servers can load. Wait a few seconds if it restarts. Step 3. Tap on the server section. Pick any server you like from the list. Step 4. Tap on the Tweaks button. Choose any built-in protocol that works best for your network. Step 5. Tap Custom Settings if you want more control. Choose protocols like Slow DNS, V2Ray, or SSL. Step 6. Tap the big Start button on the home screen. The VPN will connect in a few seconds. Step 7. Open the side menu. Tap Tethering. Turn on the toggle to share your VPN with other devices. That's it. You're now connected with UX Tunnel VPN. If this helped you, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.